Hi guys, today I gonna show you how to make a artistic strawberry fruit using bag DIY simple bag craft.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So first you have to take a shape of red color bag which is showing on the video. Now mark the bag with a marker pen in a circle shape hard paper. Now draw a circle on the bag. Cut it through the circle by a scissors. Now crease it like a half circle. Crease it again like 90 degree. Now take a yarn and a needle. Twist it and sew its beside corner which is showing on the screen. Keep sewing. Keep sewing for how to make a artistic strawberry fruit using bag DIY simple bag craft. When your sewing is finished, then flip it. Now keep some extra cutting bags into it until it become full. Then crease it and close it by sewing its rest side. Make it more by the same way. Now take a green colored bag, cut some part like a square shape. Then crease it, twist and draw a shape on this by marker. Cut it through the drawing by scissor which is showing on the screen. Take the cutting part and sew it with the red color strawberry. Now mark on it by a marker as like showing on the screen. Make it more by the same way. Wow! Now see how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this, now you know how to make a artistic strawberry fruit using bag DIY simple bag crafts and make your home more attractive.